Okay, folks, it's almost 2 o'clock, Friday afternoon. As you can see, the snow has started to fall. It's accumulating on the ground. It was a tough ride home. Left the office around 12:30. Hell of a ride trying to get through Herndon. All the gas stations are backed up without gas, or the pumps aren't working. What else can I say? We've got Grandma securely in the house already. We'll take some pictures of her, and we'll do some before and after pictures of how much accumulation. They're predicting 20 to 30 as of last night. Not sure if it's changed any yet to go higher. I did hear 3 feet, so we'll see how it ends up. Here we go. We're ready to roll. We got our outfit on. Any other words of encouragement, Grandma, before I take out? No. No?
You really don't have to show?
Oh, yeah. Gotta get ready. Things to do. They say you're supposed to shovel every 4 hours.
Really?
Yeah. Keep it under control. Looking pretty good. We got the overalls, hat, here, GoPro. We're ready to roll. Oh, baby. Oh, it's going to take a monster effort to get rid of all this stuff. Oh, Lordy. Oh, Lord. Look at my trees are bending. Everything's mountains of snow. Woo-hoo!
And I brought some corn for a pop. The lights are turned way down low. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Well, we finally kiss goodnight. Oh, but if you really hold me tight,
All the way home I'll be warm. The fire is slowly dying. Dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow,